If you're looking for the best leveling kit for F150, that will provide you with an excellent ground clearance along with allowing large tires to be fitted, you're in the right place. There are many products available to choose from leveling kit for F150, each with several characteristics, benefits, and prices to help you make a knowledgeable decision. I researched comprehensively, read tons of reviews, and compiled a list of the best leveling kit for F150 from reputable brands. After much research, I found these products beneficial for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video to watch the best leveling kit for F150. Number 1. MotoFab 2.5-inch front leveling kit. If you are looking for a leveling kit that doesn't require a strutter coil disassembly, then this product is what you should go for. You will be able to install it easily within 1 hour or less. Using this kit, you will be able to stay worry-free since it helps to avoid creaking noise issues and will help to prevent wear and tear. It is very easy to fit the struts, and it is a good quality product built with billet aluminum. Furthermore, it is black powder coated to match your factory suspension, giving it a great look. This kit will help you raise the front of your truck by 2.5 inches precisely. Upon installation, your truck will look great and will. Number 2. Rough Country 2 Molded Leveling Kit. If you are looking for a good leveling kit but within a budget, worry no more. I present you with a remarkable product that is popular among truck owners, and a great kit that is also affordable. Besides being budget-friendly, this item will ensure you with perfect performance for your F150. It will help increase your vehicle's ground clearance and will assure you overcome the on- and off-road obstacles with ease. Upon using this, you will be able to level the front of your vehicles with the rear and maintain smooth rides. Furthermore, durability should be your last concern since it will be at your service for a long time. You will be able to level the truck perfectly in a matter of time using this easy home installation kit. This kit allows you to fit 34 inches tires under the F150 easily. You can't go wrong with this kit. Number 3. KSP 2 inches level kits. Strut spacers are crucial parts of trucks and need to stay in good condition to provide safer rides. That is why this kit is a great choice that I highly recommend. They are constructed out of high-quality aircraft-grade aluminum that will last for a long time. It is corrosion-resistant, hence you don't have to worry about rusting, unlike the other products in the market. Number 4. AKM F150 Lift Kit. This AKM kit has the highest user ratings, and has been high in demand due to the notable feature it offers altogether. This front kit is excellent for tires that measure 35 by 12.50 inches in size. You will be able to fit larger rims with ease. Built from forged aircraft-grade aluminum which has stronger compressive resistance than steel. Hence, you can rest assured that it is reliable and durable. Besides that, it is also powder-coated and resistant to corrosion. Hence you don't have to worry about getting rid of the rust or face issues that might occur if the parts were to be corroded. This product is more convenient to use because it doesn't require strut preloading or doesn't need any factory parts to be modified. You can easily fit it and get the installment done in a matter of time. After getting it fitted in your truck, you will still be able to preserve full articulation of the vehicle's front suspension. Furthermore, the struts will be allowed to retain the full range of motion as well. Number 5. YITAMOTOR 2-inch front leveling lift kit. With this YITAMOTOR kit, you don't have to go through the hassle of purchasing installation tools separately, and will also be able to save up on some cash. It is because this item comes with all the necessary tools that are needed for the installment. Along with that, you will also get pre-installed bolts with the product. It offers to raise the front of your truck by 2.5 inches. This leveling kit comes with a kit thickness and lift height ratio of 1:1, thus giving the truck a great outlook. Using this, you will be able to achieve an additional fender clearance, and it will also help eliminate the factory rake, thus making the front and the rear perfectly leveled. Not only does it give your vehicle an aggressive. That's all from my end. I make helpful videos daily, so do subscribe to my channel and hit the bell notification. If you need any more valuable information, or if you want to know product's original price, do check out my description. For any kind of problems, please write a comment below. I can help you anytime further. Stay updated with our products as it will make your file much easier. Thanks for watching, have a great